In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the aluminum or copper mechanical lug kits onto a PowerPact B-frame circuit breaker. Before installation, always consult the safety information in the instructions provided with the kit and never work on energized equipment. First, you'll remove the green connection system cover by putting a flathead screwdriver in this slot and then working it until it comes off of the breaker, like so. You will then remove the lug kit that is currently on the breaker by sticking a small flathead screwdriver into the slot below the lug kit and leveraging the lug kit out of the breaker. Like so. You will place the lug in front of the bus termination stab, like so, and then affix it to the stab using the provided set screw. With all of these set screws tightened to the appropriate torque mentioned in the instructions, you will then install the lug covers by placing these notches into the grooves on the back of the breaker and then pushing down until it clicks into place. You will then reinstall the green connection system cover over the front of the breaker and then place the labels provided over the side of the breaker and the front of the breaker over the previous lug information. Once you do that, you now have your mechanical lugs installed and ready to use on the circuit breaker.